Welcome to our video guide on managing the Merge Customers module, a powerful tool designed to enhance the efficiency of your customer database by eliminating duplicate accounts. In this walkthrough, we'll guide you through the configuration and effective use of the Merge Customers module. After a successful module installation, head to the Modules and Extensions tabs in your admin area. Locate the Merge Customers module within the list and click Edit to access its configuration settings. Within the Settings section, activate the toggle option to enable the module for your website. Save your configuration changes with the Update button. Now, let's start merging duplicated customer accounts. Navigate to the Orders, Customers, and Customers tabs. Select the duplicated customer accounts you want to merge, then click on the Merge Customer button. Now you can take advantage of a consolidated customer list, reduced redundancy, and improved database performance. Thank you for joining us on this journey to enhance your website's efficiency with the Merge Customers module.